There we go.
I cannot just fuck on any little bit, man. I need me a 10. I'm rolling up pressure, I'm coughing, I'm wheezing, it's getting me.
So it's Easter, and we want to do something fun for Easter. So the plan is, Maddie got a new like a blow up raft for her Easter, and her birthday is on Monday, and so we talked Thomas into going to our local pond, which we're right at now, and he's going to go across it, like probably like I say like 100 yards, where he's probably gonna row a solid 200 yards in this rowboat. So it's gonna be pretty cool. So this is the captain in charge here.
That's right.
This is the other captain in charge. We got the assistant over here. Here's the spring.
The spring.
And
that man. Turn the camera.
That man right there.
The rowboat. We go under the bridge and down to the road.
The road down there. All right, so Thomas is taking off his shirt. This he does that rarely. This is probably his like a 100th time taking his shirt off at this location.
Exact spot.
You might want to worry about that.
On that side if I'm going under the bridge.
We got a graduate. He's about to go into the lake in this raft. 18-year-old college kid. Please teach him how to do it.
We should wait like 15 minutes.
Yeah, I think we're gonna wait 15
We're gonna
minutes.
take a little delay here, rain delay.
Because, yeah, rain delay. So Thomas he's gonna get in.
And we'll push you.
We're gonna push him.
Wait, I'm afraid. Oh, Jesus.
What are you talking?
What, you just looked up at 3 dudes?
He's gonna go. There he goes. Bon voyage.
You're on the bottom, dudes. You gotta move a little.
There he goes.
I'm really bad at this.
Wait, hold on.
Yeah.
That was the deal.
No, it's part of
Yes. Yeah, $1 a shot. He's got glasses on.
He's got. He has eye protection.
Oh my God, a big snake! Jesus Christ, there's a big snake. There he goes.
Oh my God.
So, Thomas, he's still going.
I got $5 with your name on it.
We still got the airsoft gun. We still might get him. Woo! Yeah, Thomas. Let me try it. Let me get a shot. There he is. I'm gonna light him up.
Robbie, stop. Ow!
Oh, we've been recording you. Please don't drop that camera.
Easter Day Regatta.
I think Thomas likes being in the pond. I think he does.
Yeah, probably.
Thomas, do you like being in there?
Now he does.
I gotta help you. That's all. Yes!
No!
Yes! Give me your money.
Proud of you, man.
He just got $20 for this, everybody.
Okay, ready?
Surprisingly, we just gave this.
Oh, yeah, you gotta go down low.
This is Thomas.
Move your hair, Robbie.
He just got $20. Look at that, right there.
Oh my God.
That's not it.
Yes, it
You
is.
shot me in the knee in the beginning. Yeah,
Look at that.
No, that's a
Right there,
scrape.
There, right there.
Look, this is proof.
Pull it in there.
This is proof that we shot. Look,
Cameron got him.
that's a bull. That is.
All right,
We hit it.
Let's dump the swamp water out of it.
Yeah, that's up. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm sauced up, I'm sneezing, the pat extra loud. I'm coughing, not sneezing. Hey, dab on that shit. Lil' bitty bit fell in love with my wrist. Hey, I would not settle for less, I'm the best and I need me a chick.